Hello everyone, in this video I will show you some of the free new characters, skin, kid skin, QR codes, Brawl Stars, gifts and a lot of free gifts, right? So I'll show you the QR codes here. You can just claim your crusty cash from this QR code, and this one is for the 1000 coins and a lot of different gifts. Same goes for this one, right? And here it is one of the, and by the way, this all QR codes are some of the official QR codes, so you can scan it and it's definitely work most of the time. And generally one QR code works in a single account. You cannot use the same QR code again and again on your same account, right? So if you want to use on a different accounts, you're sure to go, you can use this scan this QR code for different accounts here. And this is really interesting, and I hope that you found this QR code really useful. And if you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel, and let us know in the comment box if you really redeem your gifts from here.